Hi everyone, this is Kavya. I'm pursuing my master's in criminology and forensic science in Mangalore. So as I was interested in cybersecurity, I took up this internship thinking that it would give me some insights on the field. So this have been really an amazing and informative workshop. So the assignments, they were very beneficial to the entire learning process. I would heartily congratulate all the organizing team for arranging such an wonderful internship, and all the sessions, they were really great. And not only the session, all the study material that was provided was very interesting. And I really love the fact that this internship, it provided me an opportunity to realize and explore certain aspects related to forensic science. And it also helped me gain certain aspects on forensic science. So overall, it was a great experience, and I highly recommend students to take up this internship program. And yeah, those who are interested in cybersecurity program, they can seriously go for this internship. And yeah, thank you.